Hello, Tommy. Brad Altman here. I'm going to go over this as quickly as possible. I know some of this might not make sense to you, but the numbers will. Um, so, first of all, I want to compliment you. You do have a very nice web page set up here. One thing I would do, though, this right here, how big it is, I would somehow try to get that up in this area, okay? Because this is pretty small. Somebody people will probably see it, but I mean, if you scroll down just a bit, you'll see it disappears. So that's one thing I would probably work just getting your address or something in this area, um, so people as soon as they know how to contact you. Um, I'm going to talk about words that are on your web page. Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words per web page to keep in good standings and keep you ranking at the top and to bring you more revenue in. So I'm going to go into this tool right here called Word Count. Tommy, you could download this. This is a free tool that you could use off the internet. There's several of them out there, but this is the one I'm using. So you can see you have 415 words on your web page. Again, Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000. I'm going to go over here to Richie's quick, do the same thing, and see what their word count is. See, now they're right up there where Google wants them to be, 1,521 words. Okay. Now I'm going to go over to Hennessy. I just wanted to use a few different ones because we live in such a small area and do the word count for them. $313. So Hennessy needs a little help as well. Now I'm going to go over here. This is called the Map It area. Okay. And I'm going to talk about keywords. So a keyword in your thing is implement dealers. We could have put lawnmowers. We could have put Pizza Hut, whatever it is. A keyword is what people type in the search bar to find what they're looking for. Now down here, you're ranked second, which is good. Richie's is down here in the fourth position, which isn't very good for them. But this area, Tommy, is the second place that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. Down here is called the organic area. Okay. This is the first place where people are going to click on to find you. And you can see that you guys are in the 1, 2, 3, fourth spot right now. Richie's is right behind you. And then there's Ziegler. I didn't use Ziegler because they're big equipment from what I can see. But where Hennessy and Richie's is a little bit closer to the type of business that you do. That's why I use them. So you want to be ranked right up here, Tommy. What that's going to do is bring you more revenue in. And the same thing here. You want to be right up here. Again, down in this area has to do with the keywords that people type into their web page, web browser to find what they're looking for. I'm going to skip over here. This is a tool called Ahrefs, Tommy. This is not a free tool, but it costs me about $200 a month to use this. So I see you only have 32 keywords in your organic area. And again, that's down here. Okay. And that's bringing you guys in about $7 a month in traffic value. Okay. So if I switch over to Richie's, you can see they have a lot more organic words, but you can see the difference in value that's bringing them in every month from people just clicking on it. Okay. So from $3.94 to $7. Now Hennessy over here, they're not doing so well either. They have zero and they don't have any organic keywords. That's why. I'm going to go back over here, Tommy. I'm going to just see what your keywords are. Again, the keywords, Tommy, keep in mind, are anything that people are going to type in the search bar to find what they're looking for. Important to have good keywords on your web page. Wait for this to come up here. I'm going to talk about something else. I'm going to talk about things called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linked to another via clickable hyperlink text. Now, with that in mind, I'll give you a couple more, I guess. These links, these backlinks to get you ranked right up here, act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. And I guess a little more simpler term is it's literally like a popularity contest, Tommy, where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your webpage wins the race. And all backlinks are not created equal. So it's worth noting that if you need to use words that are relevant to your business, for example, if you're a plumber, you want to use plumbering. You want to use pipe repair. Same with you, lawn tractor equipment, things along that type. So I'm going to go over here and see what your organic words are since it finally popped out. So you can see these bigger volume ones, 300, but they're using your name. Rentals, you got use. So some of these lower ones can be corrected to bring in more uh, value to your web page. Down here, Mueller sales and service, Mueller sales and service. So a lot of this, I mean, we could put lawn tractor, we could put errands, we could put steel, Kubota, whatever it is that you want. If we put those words in here, or if you guys do it yourself, it's going to bring in the traffic value a lot more, and it's going to make that $7 up closer to what Richie's has got here for like 794 or something, or 300 something. So in closing, Tommy, I just want to mention you do have a beautiful web page here. There's a few things that I would work on. Um, get more words on your web page. That's going to give you opportunity to put those keywords in that I was mentioning. So you can keep your website. I'm not going to do anything with that. If you want to do business, we can keep everything that is here. We can just add to it to make more value to your website, to bring you in more revenue. I don't know what you would do with that, Tommy. I don't know if you'd hire more people, if you would hire more office people, buy more equipment. I don't know what that is, but I think you have in mind what you want to do. People also love family-owned businesses. So that's awesome that you got this nice and big here. Um, so again, I would, like I said, we could do a lot of these keywords right here you got down here and put them in to your overview of your organic words to bring you in and help bring this up better. So we can get you more organic keywords put into your website, Tommy. Again, you can do this yourself. This is a free video. You can send it to the people that do it and let them see what I'm talking about here. And I would work on your backlinks as well. Again, that's going to get you at the top of Mapids. Okay. So with that, I'm going to close out, Tommy. Good talking with you earlier today. I hope this video has good information for you to help bring in more sales to your company. If you want to reach me, you can call me at 608-574-2784, or I'm going to be sending this video to you through an email. I'll have my information there as well. You can just simply call me on that number that I'll leave, as well as just reply to the email I send it to you. I thank you for your time, Tommy, and you have yourself a great day.